Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we are here, of course, in English program, Smartfm with English community, Smart Up Your Life English discussion. And of course, with me, Erdezam, Radiasi Sarisam, and I'm not alone here. Yeah, we have friends from a few communities in South Sulawesi, of course. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we will to say introduction. Yeah, one by one our guests from various communities of Makassar. Okay, let's go to. Okay, maybe you. Could you introduce yourself? What is your name? And what is your meeting club? And what about the schedule and agenda? Okay, please, time is yours.
So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Stuti, and my friends usually call me Widdy.
Hi, Widdy.
Hi. Sometimes my friends call me Widya. And actually, my full name is Widya Stuti, and I really hate when my friends call me Astuti. And then I'm from English UKM Bahasa from Unismu Makassar.
Okay, UKM Bahasa Unismu Makassar.
Yes.
Let's make it deal. May we say or call it UBUM or UBUM?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So deal, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about the agenda? What looks like? What kind of agenda do you have in Ubum? Yes.
Okay, so actually I have a lot of agenda. Actually, I am the leader of coordination English debate division.
Oh wow!
So
Debater.
yeah, I'm the debater actually. So
Oh my god!
this is the first time like I join
Be
like
careful.
no, I never like do debate here because there is no. Okay, so I just like have a schedule all every day. I do like sparring with another campus
Okay.
like community debate.
Okay.
in
What
September.
about the English discussion in your communities? What about that?
Oh, English.
What about the
speaking-
schedule? Yes.
Yes, English we have like 3 times in a week.
Mhm.
We have like English like we call language day. So we talk about like every day like it's like a different like the first day we talk about the politics and
Okay.
the second day like we talk about the
What about the
economic.
days? I mean, like, what day? In 3 times in a week.
Saturday I forget the day Wednesday and also like Friday.
Okay.
We just like only 3
So for
days.
more detailed information, maybe smart viewers and listeners at home want to know more detail about your community, could you mention the Instagram of to smart viewers and listeners at home, please?
My username is I forget WDHAYA.
In Bahasa, mention please. You may mention in Bahasa.
Or in Indonesia.
Yes.
WDHAYA.
What about your communities in Bahasa?
My community is UKM Bahasa, so and that's all.
Okay. The capital or the normal writing, normal letter?
The Instagram.
Yes, the Instagram.
You can call UKM Bahasa.
Okay, only UKM Bahasa. Please follow, guys, if you want more detailed information about the community. Okay, thank you, Widya. Okay, hi, good evening.
Hi.
Yeah.
My name is Aliana Damutia.
Mhm.
I'm from English Youth Community,
Okay,
but people usually call it UC.
you see. What about the schedule?
So our community have
Mhm.
several programs, but
Yes.
the first program is free meeting.
Okay.
In free meeting, it's open for
Public.
anyone, public,
Yes,
who want to learn about English.
Offline or online?
Offline.
Offline.
Yeah.
Okay. Beside offline, you have also online.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes hybrid also.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
mhm.
second program is intensive meeting.
Mhm.
It open for only agents of English Youth Community.
Oh yeah.
And the third program is Kampung Binaan.
Oh wow.
Yeah, in Kampung Binaan, we teach children
Mhm.
who doesn't have an access to study or learn about English.
May I? Because I'm a children. I'm a kid. I'm a kid.
Yeah.
I'm a kid. I'm a kid. Mm.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Alia.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you? Do you get a point?
I do actually.
Okay, please.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Akmal Fauzan, and I'm currently the president of PMEC, Poltekpar Makassar English Camp.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a motto in
Yes.
PMEC. As we always say before we meeting, I always say English for you, English for all. Shout out to all the PMEC members watching today.
Wow. So, what about your schedule, your community schedule, in your community?
Yeah.
If
We
you
have-
handle, if you conduct the meeting, yeah.
Yeah, we actually have quite a lot of program.
Mm-hmm.
We have weekly meeting.
Mm-hmm.
We conducted the meeting every Saturday.
Yeah.
In the running semester, where we conducted from 9 to 2
Okay.
p.m. Yeah, we usually do games,
Mhm.
speaking
You mean
lessons.
9 to 2, 9 to then to 2?
Yeah. 9 a.m.
Okay,
to
it's
2 p.m.
kidding. Continue, please.
Okay, and then the other program would be a mobile library.
Okay.
We have actually collections of some classic novels
Uh-huh.
that our members could read freely without charge, of course.
So, for more detailed information about your community, please mention your Instagram, please.
All right.
I mean, your
For-
community, Community
Yeah,
Instagram,
I
please.
see, I see.
Mhm.
Okay, our Instagram account is actually pretty easy. PMEC.info with double O.
Yeah.
So that is PMEC.info.
Okay, so if you want to learn more, or just follow the Instagram. Okay, thank you. How can we call you? Fauzan.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Fauzan.
Okay, thank you, Fauzan. Okay, next, the one and only.
Okay.
Okay, should you introduce yourself? Okay,
Yeah.
come on, it's okay. Introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at
Okay.
home.
So, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, let me introduce myself. My name is Noval Mufli,
Hmm.
but you can call me Nop.
Nope.
Nop.
Kagak. Nope.
Nope. No, Nop. Okay, or Noval, just Noval.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing that I have to say, I'm so sorry because I'm not in a good healthy condition. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry to
Okay.
hear that.
Okay, so yeah, I'm Noval Mufli and I'm from Equinsa.
Mhm.
From Equinsa. And in Equinsa, we have intensive class to all the members. And also we have like a regular class
Yeah.
every weekend, namely English weekend,
Mhm.
every Sunday at 4 p.m. until finish.
The location.
The location in Romampolong, Samata. Our shelter in Romampolong.
You mean Hutan Terbelah? No.
Yes. The
Right.
meaning of Romampolong.
Okay.
Terbelah.
Okay, thank you, Fauzan. Okay, thank you, Fauzan. Okay, that's all the introduction of there's half each other from all of communities in Makassar, special for English Meeting Club, of course. And before I mention about our topic for this evening, we were talking about unusual in bahasa hal yang tidak biasa, because we will discussing about cartoon. So what about the cartoon? What happened with the cartoon? This cartoon actually it's well established since 1989 by someone who have an American nationality, and this cartoon is the most influenced cartoon in all of the world. The most important, this cartoon have like another side who is very very controversial and unique. What is the unique? This cartoon actually is comedy, but oftenly in the scene oftenly appear or telling about the prediction in the future. Wow. So automatically we are very curiosity. That's why we put this topic for this evening. And the topic is the Simpsons prediction. Give it applause for us. Yes, the Simpsons prediction. Are you ready, guys?
Of course.
Yes, of course, you're ready. Okay, I start to for the first speakers. Vidya, how is your reaction about this topic for this evening, the Simpsons prediction?
Okay, wait about this. This is actually I never like often watch this cartoon actually. So after I saw a lot of like the season.
It's very magical.
Yes, I can realize. Oh my god, that's really happen in the future.
Yeah.
And then I think that's like a kind of like scary for the kids because I think. Oh my god, if we watch this cartoon, I think it will be happen in the future. We never know. So that's all I think.
So this is a very, I mean, is this your new insight about something?
Yes, this is my new insight because I never like I just like often watch like Upin Ipin.
Oh.
I think everyone already know that. And also like Squidward. I don't know. That's all.
And finally, you looking find many mystery inside
Yes.
of the Simpsons, right?
After I saw the Simpsons, oh my god, I kind of like, oh wow, that's happened.
And you more curious about this,
Yes,
right?
I'm really curious about the season. Like, I really want to watch all of the.
Thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, keep your statement. The viewers and listeners at home, of course, curious. What will you want to say after this? Okay. Okay, you, Fauzan. How is your reaction to hear this topic for first time?
I have a funny story actually about this. You know,
Really?
when I relate this to my friend, they simply couldn't believe it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what kind of action will talk about Simpsons?
Yeah.
Because it's such a funny cartoon. And I said, can convince him, this is true. And you will see me on January 19th.
So it's look like you are presenter. Okay, it's okay. So what is your reaction? Is this your make you shock or something very new for you or strange or what?
Oh, about the Simpsons.
Yeah,
The Simpsons actually pretty good.
about the topic especially.
Many of them predictions came true,
Uh-huh.
which is very uniquely. But I think none of that matters because the cartoon is self-enjoyable. So it simply could be said that it is coincidence about the predictions.
Okay, so keep your statement. I will move to another speaker. Okay, what about you? Nope. What is your reaction to hear this? But I can guess maybe you very want to discuss this in a long time. Okay, how is your reaction?
Okay, so my first question, my first reaction
Yeah.
when we hear the topic about the Simpsons prediction, I think since they aired in 1989.
Yes.
Okay, so the article that I read before, this cartoon, this animated series of The Simpsons itself immediately, like affected to the attention of many people, right? They can predict for the future, which is the episode is just come from the past, right? I think it's very exciting to discuss about the Simpsons prediction actually, because in like some episodes, like in every single episode, they just describe about how to say lifestyle, like everyday life in human, in the cartoon of their characters, but it's like satire. It seems like a little bit satire in the some action, in some policy, in some
and relate with the
scene.
situation.
Yeah, the situation of every single episode.
Yeah, it was there, right?
Where?
No, I mean United States.
Yeah,
in the United States.
United States of America. Like they can have a relation with the policy in United States, of course.
Yes. Okay, keep your statement.
Okay.
Okay, I move to you, Alia. What is your reaction when you got this topic for the first time in your life?
So I love conspiracy theory.
Ooh. Ooh, wow. Be
Yeah,
careful. Be careful, guys.
and I think one of the most interesting topic in
Yeah.
conspiracy theory are this topic, the
Uh-huh.
Simpsons prediction.
Mm.
And
Is this your first time to hear about Simpsons?
no, actually, I
You?
watched a lot. Not a lot. I watched several video
Before
on
you
YouTube.
got this topic,
Yeah.
before you hear this topic, that you will come and discussing about this.
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I'm not
Ah.
very like want to learn about it. So
Uh-huh,
yeah, I
uh-huh,
just heard it.
Uh,
And
so is this something very new for you, or strange, or very interesting, or challenging, or what?
it's very interesting.
Mhm.
It's an interesting topic because there are a lot of scenes that happen in real life, right?
Mhm, mhm,
And yeah, that was incredible. I think it's incredible
mhm,
because even the details
mhm,
are happen.
mhm. So any addition, or you want to keep your statement first? You want to keep your
I
statement.
want to keep it.
Okay, thank you, guys. For the first question is all of participants already answer about the first question. Okay, we move to the second question. Okay, because guys, this cartoon may predict, and it works. May predict, and it works about their prediction in the future, like 2000, sorry, 11, yeah, 2022, 2023, and etc. So do you think, guys, this community who create the cartoon have time travel? Just imagine, we imagine. Okay, maybe you start from you. Do you think they have a time travel, or a time machine to go to in the past time, in the future, because they can predict everything? How do you think about this?
Well, for starters, I think let's imagine they have.
Mm-hmm.
How would they be? You know?
Mm-hmm.
How would they keep it secret?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's fascinating if you can have time machine and go wherever you wanted.
Mm-hmm.
However, we must condone ourselves to believe that they don't have,
Mm-hmm.
because simply it is made in the 1980s.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a theory about time machine
Mhm.
that said Stephen Hawking actually
Yeah.
made a party
Mm-hmm.
about time travelers,
Mm-hmm.
and no one came. So we can
Oh my God,
Make
it's
conclude from
hard
that.
because you say Stephen Hawking's the theory of quantum, right? Oh my God, how the material it can be changed, like this material to be quantum. Oh my God, it's hard.
I think you have the wrong speaker here.
It's okay, it's okay.
But that's
Continue,
okay.
continue. Mhm.
But the cartoon itself, as I already said before, is very
Yeah.
enjoyable.
Yeah.
And I like especially the character of Bart.
Oh,
He's
Bart.
a kid,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he's
right.
always doing goofy stuff with his friends.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just enjoyable,
Uh-huh.
regardless of the predictions or not.
Mhm.
But one thing I have predictions though that
So, do you think they have or not?
very eerily is the Donald Trump one.
Mhm. They have.
Is a very
They use.
similar.
They have. They no. I just say yes or no. Do they have or not?
No, they don't. Most of the time.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes they do.
Oh my God! Just choose. Just choose. They do they have or not?
Yes. They
You
have.
believe they have.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my God.
Don't tell
Okay,
anyone.
thank you. Okay. What about you? Wait, yeah. This cartoon can predict
Yes.
future times. Sometimes they predict 10 years later it happened. Oh my God, long time ago, maybe 20 years ago, but now it's happened. 15 years ago, 10 years ago, and now it's happened. Like the technology, like the moment, like Putri, how to say in Elizabeth? Yeah, Elizabeth was died, right?
Yeah.
Recently, right? And
Like
it's
the Federers.
yeah, it was
also.
predict of the
Yeah. this
Simpson.
Simpsons.
So how do you think about it? Are they have a time travel or time machine or not, or maybe they have like unique method or maybe metaphysic science, or they have
So,
something like that.
I prefer to say like yes, I think they have.
Oh my
Because I
god.
would like to say maybe in Indonesia we call like dukun, right?
Oh my god.
I think the
Uh-huh.
Simpsons also have like that person. So they kind of prediction all of the that will be happen in the future,
Mhm.
like smartwatch. They
Mhm.
also like prediction,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And also Elizabeth, and
Mhm.
also Donald Trump to be the
Mhm.
president. Also, I think so. They have like a lot of like people. I don't know
Like a
how to say
magic.
it. Yeah, magic.
Yeah.
Maybe the producer.
Mhm.
We never know, or maybe
Mhm.
the writer.
Mhm. Okay, so you believe they have.
Yes.
Okay,
I
keep
do
your
believe
statement.
that.
Okay, I move to you, Alia. How do you think about this phenomenon? Are they have a time travel, time machine because they can predict everything, right?
So, yeah, in my opinion, I think that the script writer of this
Mhm.
cartoon doesn't have a sixth sense
Yeah.
or a time traveler, but I think they just a genius person that can predict technology in the future.
But not only technology, but also like moment,
Yeah.
like Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth. It was
Yeah.
that recently, but they
Donald
can
Trump
predict
too.
by the cartoon, by the scene, by the episode. They really really describing the ache, the scene, the
Yeah.
episode that Elizabeth will be died. Oh my god, it will be died on blah 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 on years blah 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 like that. So how do you think about it?
So yeah, I think maybe it's a coincidence,
Mhm.
or yeah, it's a genius person
Mhm.
that can predict that.
It's the genius.
Yeah.
So because the genius can predict accurately and precision about the something will be happen in the future, right?
Yeah.
So you think like that. So automatically you say they don't have travel
Yeah.
time and time machine.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a totally different opinion about this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you choose? 1, 2, or 3?
What is
Don't
it?
answer it.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just answer it for. This is a politic. Come on. Just a secret. Okay. What about you, Naval? Do you get the point, right?
Just
Absolutely.
repeat your question.
Yeah. How do you think about this phenomenon? Because they can predict everything in the future, like all of the situation, all of the moment they can predict. Not only technology but also moment.
Yeah.
Not only moment but also technology, innovative, conspiration, and war event. War.
Yeah.
Yeah. So so how do you think about this? Do they have a time travel, time machine, or maybe alien or
Alien.
magic astral organism that they can predict
Oh yeah.
that?
Okay, I got it. So yeah, I just remember someone said that that is like a phenomena that something happens in the past will be repeated and happen again in the future. Someone said like that.
Like a sixth sense.
No, it's just like some action that happened in the past, but automatically it will be repeated and happen again in the future. And yeah, so I think, believe it or not, the everything that coming from this cartoon or this animated series is so suspected, I think. Okay, so and also I have to say that
So are they?
okay,
Do they have or not?
I just want to say this cartoon, there's some theory that say that they have a correlation with the Illuminati,
Oh my god.
right?
Okay, but you keep your statement,
Okay.
Fauzan. We will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1. Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia. Hi guys. Okay, giving applause for you guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, continue your statement, because your statement still you have to continue your statement. What is the last you say?
Okay. So
Did
I
you still
think
remember?
yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
come on.
I remember it. So I think this cartoon have a correlation with the other system,
Mm-hmm.
with our system. So what I'm trying to say, like there are more dangers, there are more suspected system
Mm-hmm.
outside of this cartoon.
Mm-hmm.
So I think when we like debate about this Simpson prediction is if they have time travel or not. I
Mhm.
think they have or some of their members of the
Mm-hmm.
how to
members
say,
have a like
the
strange,
director.
like how to say in di atas rata-rata, something like that.
Yeah, no,
Extraordinary.
yeah,
Yes.
they have clever person,
Mhm.
they have some relation with the other organization or something like that. Yeah,
Mm.
it's just like a conspiracy theory,
Okay.
but yeah, we have to can kindly, can believe it or not. We just
It's like a program, believe it or
Yeah.
not. Okay.
no,
But never
yeah,
really fun.
television program. Believe it or not.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so yeah,
That's the point.
we just believe or not. They have time travel or not. It's just in ourselves. We can answer it.
So probably.
Probably
Something
they
like that.
have.
Ah,
They
okay.
have a person beside it,
Mm.
like behind the scene.
Yeah. Okay, I like your style. Okay, thank you, Naufal. Okay, the second question was clear. Okay, let's move to the third question. Okay, if you guys live and as a maybe X generation, maybe because you are Z. If you are X generation, because X generation, it's watch this, right? If you are X generation, is this serial or is this cartoon, how to say, to be your favorite or not, and why? Yeah. I start from you. Yeah. If you are X generation and you watch this serial, is this your favorite or not, and why?
Okay, so if I watched this movie at the time,
As a X generation. Mhm.
so
Just imagine.
you're trying to say,
Yeah,
like,
your parents X generation.
I think you're trying to say that I'm
Uh,
30 years old.
No,
or
just
above.
imagine. Just imagine if you are.
Okay, so if I was there, if I
Mhm.
was there to watch this program, to watch this cartoon,
Mhm.
I think this cartoon is very relatable because
Mhm.
they describe in every single episode, they describe about the everyday life. They like Homer.
So it will be your favorite.
I think no,
No.
because I always watch SpongeBob. Maybe I prefer to watch SpongeBob.
And Weibo? You are
Yeah,
Weibo?
anime.
I can guess it, you're Weibo. Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
no.
No.
Why?
Maybe because the color of the character is yellow. I don't like yellow.
You don't like yellow?
Yes.
But you're wearing yellow.
No, this they
This is yellow.
black. Black.
This is
Right,
yellow.
no. It's just
Come
a
on.
minimum color.
Come on. Don't be a hypocrite. Okay, after this we have to put our topic hypocrite man.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's interesting.
No. Okay, later. Okay, what about you? Thank you, Naufal. If you was there as an X generation, is this your favorite or not, and why? Or so and why?
won't be my favorite if I was X generation, of course. Why? Simply because there is no internet in Indonesia. We cannot watch it. That's the point.
No. Just imagine.
Yeah.
Don't compare the situation right now and the situation how
In
to
the
say in the
past.
past. No, but you just imagine as you watch, right?
Oh, yeah.
So
If-
your favorite or not or so, and why?
Now, if I was a next generation to watch The Simpsons,
Yeah.
do I think I would like it?
Yeah, favorite or not
Mhm.
or so. You know so like
Yes.
Thai party show. No, kidding.
Of course.
Uh-huh.
But, and again, I wouldn't be like it
Mhm.
if I was.
Why?
Because sometimes American cartoon just doesn't fit with our audiences. And a next generation in Indonesia was simply focused on their own television series. The what do you say, pendekar, warrior prince, jungle prince.
I like I like your spirit in this studio. Oh my god.
Yeah, they will focus on that, and they wouldn't like it because simply it wasn't a live action. That's the serious answer, by the way.
Okay, so
You want the goofiest answer?
favorite. So favorite automatically, right?
Yeah.
Favorite.
They wouldn't like it.
Okay.
They won't like it.
Any addition or keep?
You wanna hear the goofiest answer?
You may you may add in your addition if you want, please. Come on.
Okay, the goofiest answer would
Mhm.
be, yeah, they don't like yellow. What am I talking about? I'm sorry, audience. Don't do it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you, Fauzan. Okay, what about you, Alia? If you was there as an X
As the next
generation
generation.
and this movie is broadcast and you can catch the signal, catch the program on your TV wherever you are, even in Indonesia or Papua New Guinea or where, something like that. Do you like this or not or so and why?
The Simpsons are cartoon that describes everyday life
Yeah.
in a family, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I think I will like it, but I think it's not my favorite cartoon. I think I prefer other cartoon like Upin Ipin
Ooh.
or
Is Upin
SpongeBob.
Ipin is Upin Ipin exist in 1989?
If Upin Ipin exists in that,
Oh,
I
okay,
will prefer
okay.
Upin Ipin
Okay.
or SpongeBob.
We put Imagine and you also double Imagine because you put Upin also it was in 1989.
Yeah.
But good imagination. Okay, continue.
And then I do not like the animation because I think the light is too strong
Okay.
and yeah because it's
And
yellow,
sharpen
of
your
course.
eyes.
Yellow.
But the SpongeBob are yellow too, but I think the animation it's beautiful. So yeah, calm
like that.
and it's just beautiful. And the funny moment are I prefer the funny of the SpongeBob than the Simpsons or other cartoon.
Okay, so it's probably you like it, but not favorite.
Yeah, not my
Not
favorite.
your priority list.
Yeah.
Okay, but you like Power Rangers?
No.
No. Okay,
I'm
okay,
not- I do
okay,
not like
okay. Thank you. What about you, Vidya? Do you get a point?
Yeah, I get
Okay,
it.
please.
So I think it sounds like a nope. How to say your name?
Kaget.
Nope. Nope. Okay.
Kaget,
So
nope.
I don't really like a yellow color.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but I like
You too. You too.
SpongeBob. But
Okay.
actually, I like SpongeBob. But if I was in the X generation, I think it will be like my last option to watch The Simpsons. So, cause I don't really like a serious movie. I prefer like a funny or maybe just like I can enjoy my holiday in my home.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just like I don't really like it because like sometimes funny, sometimes like mysterious, and sometimes like I don't know. It's like a kind of
You you prefer to watch is the consistent
Yes,
situation, the
the
consistent
consistency.
scenario.
yes, just
Mm.
comedy because we know X generation we just like do funny things. We don't like really to think about deep.
Mm. So, what is your favorite? Number one, number two, number three. Don't answer it.
Okay.
It's kidding. It's kidding. Okay, thank
You
you.
must.
You would like to make 8th edition about your
I know, I
explanation?
think
No,
it's that.
you keep.
Yep.
Okay, thank you, guys, because we are clear about the third question. Yeah, so we are going to for the third question. What is the third question? Yeah, the fourth question is we're talking about like our country in a special edition, but I forget what is edition. When the children of the bird, how to say, putar, turn, like this, the bowl, the maps, the globe, the Kalimantan is it was gone in the map, the Kalimantan, and the right of the map is Singapore. Yes. How do you think, guys? Your perspective about that? Is this just nakal? Is this just nakal, or oh my God, we cannot imagine that. It's an Is this only nakal or an imagination? Things about it. How do you think about maybe Alia? Because you like conspiration. How do you think about it? Are you worried about it?
I don't really worry about it
Mhm.
because I think it's just an error, or it's just it's just an error from
Mhm.
the production
Mhm.
of the Simpsons.
Mhm. So you are not worried.
I think 50-50.
Yeah, because we are Indonesian country, and Indonesia is the one of largest country in the world,
Yeah.
and probably because we are very diversity, our diversity is blessing, and also we have a negative effect because we are blessing, because we are diversity. Sometimes there is agnum put the blessing is the match, something like that. You know what I mean? So you are not worried that our country is not separate with another province, another island as a new country. You are not worried about it
I think
as an Indonesian.
a little bit worried, but
Why?
if we like Bhinneka Tunggal Ika,
Yeah.
I think that would happen. Just that.
If we have a strong nationalities. Okay. Thank you. What about you, Vidya? How is your perspective about the scene of the Simpsons, the globe in the Kalimantan called say Singapore? Yeah.
So I think I will be worried about that
Mm,
because
why?
I have a lot of family in Kalimantan also.
Mhm.
So that's why I
Okay.
will be worried about that because since when I was 7 years old,
Mhm.
I go to Kalimantan
Mhm.
and then I learn about a lot of new things about like culture and also environment.
Mhm.
And also about the animals there. There's
Mhm.
a lot of animals in Kalimantan.
Mhm.
If Kalimantan like gone in our
Mhm.
country, I think it can be danger
Mhm.
because Kalimantan we call like
Paru-paru
how to-
dunia.
Yeah, paru-paru dunia.
Mhm.
So
Which one is true? Paru-paru dunia or paru-paru dunia?
whatever you want to say.
Uh-huh.
I think that's
It's a worry.
yeah.
Yeah.
I will be
Oh my
worried.
God. Okay, what about you, Noval? How do you think about the scene, the Simpson, like when they turn the globe, the Kalimantan, as Singapore? How do you think about it?
So you mean like Kalimantan Island? They don't try to write as a Kalimantan,
No,
but
not Borneo, no Kalimantan, but
no
Singapore.
Borneo or Kalimantan, but they
Yes.
write there as Singapore.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So I think this is one of the, one edition of conspiration. I think because we already know our how to say ibu kota.
Capital city.
Our capital city will be moved to Kalimantan, right?
And
President Joko Widodo has said that if there is someone from Singapore that want to have how to say kerjasama, work relation with
bilateral.
Or something like business plan or something like that from Singapore that want to join with us in Indonesia. Actually, honestly, in Kalimantan,
like VCO field, kebun kelapa sawit, something like that, right?
So like it's some business in business field, I think Joko Widodo said like that. Someone or maybe a businessman from Singapore can come to Kalimantan, to Borneo, because we already we already have the new capital city in Kalimantan, IKN. Maybe not just from Singapore, but from Australia or from another country can join or make a business plan in IKN. So I think that's why the Simpsons predicted again. Predicted again about this situation. I think.
So worry. You worry about it. No, you worry.
Right. Because the Simpsons will have a new capital city in Kalimantan, and Singapore will come. So that's why Kalimantan will Singapore will join with Kalimantan because of that business plan or something like that.
Okay. Thank you guys for smart viewers, because there is a comment here in live YouTube streaming. First, a lot of emoticon, like love emoticon, like fire emoticon, and Japanese, but I don't know what is this Japanese. And talking also about the accent. Oh my god, grabbing. Oh yeah. So much love from our viewers here. See my oh my god. Yeah, thank you guys for watch. Okay, we continue our conversation about the Simpson prediction smart up your life. Okay, we talking about the Simpson prediction, and how about the prediction of the world war? This is very scary. How do you think about the World War prediction? World War 3. Oh my god, it's very scary. How do you think about it? Are you brave to comment or explain about this?
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
How do you think about the prediction, the Simpson prediction about the World War 3, Perang Dunia Ketiga? How do you think about this?
I don't know. In my point of view, I think we never know, but I would like to say, I think it will be happen.
Oh my god!
Because
Don't
we
say
already
like
know about that. Because we already see in the status quo that's a lot of war in the world. Like every country do war. Like even they just like a neighbor country. Like they never like do how to say that they never like merasa feel safe with their neighbor, like something like that. So we also like know already in Palestine and also like that. And also actually in the Al-Quran already told us like it will be heaven, like how to say Kiamat. It will be happen. So I think we
the
have
end
to
of
like
life.
Kiamat.
Kiamat.
I think we have to like prepare.
Okay. So the most important is that
The
prepare
important is we have to
yourself.
prepare ourselves.
Okay, thank you. This is a very scary, like goosebumps. We talking about this. It's goosebumps. What about you? How do you think about the World War 3 prediction about the Simpson?
Yeah, I'm gonna be serious here.
Mm-hmm.
This time I'm gonna be serious, not be goofy. It will happen, guys.
Uh-huh.
It will happen. No, seriously. With all seriousness, the World War III most likely to happen.
Uh-huh.
But we must hope
And
that
prepare your audition to get audition.
it's
Oh,
not.
oh my
It's
God.
not in our lifetime.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's just I believe that the Americans country have the more power to
Mhm.
defend its global allies, and we're talking about geopolitics here. And simply, the war won't happen because America is too strong for right now,
So
or
okay.
geopolitical standpoint.
Mm.
And the moment America's being beaten by China or India,
Mhm.
well, guys, you have your wars.
Okay, thank you, Fauzan. Before we are going to move to the next speaker, maybe guys, your preparation about your vocabularies, about or your idioms, about your final words or wise word. But the first is we move to the conclusion, maybe. Okay, what about your conclusion? Nope, no file about our topic for this evening. Your conclusion.
Alright, so yeah, we already discussed about this topic for like in a half hours, you know. So long.
You know when we're talking about the climate, it's the silent situation. Wow, it's a very silent. We're talking about climate. Oh my
Okay,
God.
so yeah,
Conclusion.
my conclusion about the topic for this evening is to smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. I think like although we have to decide like we believe or we not believe about the Simpsons prediction, because we already saw the animated, you know, like this
Mhm.
cartoon is they predict and sometimes it happens, sometimes not.
Mhm.
Okay, so also
But
have to
frequently
complete.
it's happened, right?
Yeah,
The domination,
like
the
the decades
yeah.
again, the decades again,
Yeah.
they will happen. Like
Mhm.
it's like a unique phenomena, I
Mhm.
think. So yeah, about my conclusion, like we have to prepare ourselves, yeah, and also to think to okay, we have to prepare and make our mindset that everything that comes from the cartoon or something like that, we have to kindly
You know, in the last week we're
propose.
talking about our pilgrimage to Hajj, menunaikan ibadah haji and umrah, and right now we're talking about the Qayamat and prediction. Oh my God, it's a very
The
jumping.
prediction of world war and climate.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
So I think like yeah, we have to kindly how to say bijak.
Wise.
We have to
Wise person.
person to affect about this Simpsons prediction. Like whether we believe or not, it seems
Mhm.
like this cartoon is something that should be
Everything is gonna be
suspicion.
alright.
Yeah, everything's gonna be
Like
alright.
a title of
Allah.
song.
I mean,
Like a title. Yeah, like
It's
got
gonna be
it.
alright.
You got it. Was it
yeah. So that's all for me.
Yeah, thank you, Fauzan. What about you, Alia? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
So my conclusion is the Simpsons prediction is a very interesting topic,
Mm-hmm.
and I cannot say it's a pure coincidence because there are many scenes that show many scenes that happen in real life, right? But we cannot also say that it's a pure prediction,
Yeah.
because there are too many scenes that doesn't come true,
Mhm.
and just like an ordinary cartoon.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So the prediction is not really absolute.
Yeah.
Happen all of the prediction. Sometimes not happen, but even all most of them
Yeah.
happen, right?
I'm not really sure. Like
Mm.
I should say it's a prediction or it's a pure coincidence.
Okay.
I'm not really sure.
Thank you, Alia.
Thank you.
Okay, what about you, Vida? Your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
So I think whatever will be happen, like the Simpson prediction, just live in your way, just
Mhm.
live in your life. Don't care about that because it will be like gone, like it will be past.
Mm.
So don't be scared
Like
about
coronavirus,
yeah,
right?
like a coronavirus. We already like melalui like that. So yeah, enjoy your life. It will like it will be okay in the
everything is
yeah.
gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna kidding. Okay, what about you, Fauzan? Your conclusion about our talk
Yeah,
this evening and the
okay,
Simpsons
okay.
prediction.
The last statement of the night for smart, how do you say, smart viewer?
Yes, my viewers
Yeah.
and listeners. Yes,
Smart viewers and listeners,
listeners.
at home.
Yes.
Okay, Simpson prediction is not really a necessary thing to believe. Okay, it's just a coincidence, more or less. My message to you, to all of the conspiracy theorists out there: turn off your laptop, go touch some grass, and enjoy the world. Don't always disturb in negativity, because there's so much world to live.
And better you put microphone, and better you go to shopping mall, and better you karaoke.
Yeah. Go find some friend.
Kidding.
Go find some friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, because most of them are no lab, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you have vocabularies about relate with this topic. Whatever. Your vocabularies about the Simpsons.
Conspiracy.
Yeah. What is in bahasa? Translate.
Konspirasi.
Okay. What else?
Cartoon.
Yes. What else? A cartoon in bahasa.
Kartun.
What else? Maybe others. Do you have a vocabularies, Fauzan? Or Widya, you have vocabularies about?
mystery.
What is that?
Mystery.
Yeah.
And also like a curious, penasaran.
Oh yeah. Only that? Okay, what about you, Fauzan? Do you
The
have?
Simpsons. The Simpsons actually stand for the Simpson family. So in bahasa, the title actually Keluarga Simpson.
Okay, guys, give a big applause for us. Thank you for coming here. Thank you, Novel. Thank you, Fauzan. Thank you, Alia. Thank you, Widya. Yeah, that's all our conversation for this evening. And the title it is Simpson prediction. Yeah. Of course, don't forget to watch and listen Smart FM 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia. Always listen our program Smart Up Your Life English program with English community as a Tuesday, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. So that's all our conversation. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye bye.